western Arkansas. Scott County in western Arkansas. Northern Polk. P-O-L-K. County in western Arkansas. Western Yell County in central Arkansas. Northern Montgomery County in western Arkansas. Until 12:15 a.m. At 11:36 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Magazine to near Boonville to near Midland, moving south at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mena, Boonville, Waldron, Paris, Danville, Mansfield, Magazine, Subiaco, Odom, Radcliffe, Blue Mountain, Beauchamp, Cardiff, Mountain Ford, Midway in Logan County, Malden, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Stonehouse Recreation Area, Gravelly,